Um, this is a download link. You can select this and you can download it, and it will get into your download file. That's 14 gigabytes. So I already did this, and I'm going to go to my downloads. And size. This is the installer. So you can here extract all, but if you have 7-zip, then I prefer to use 7-zip. To save time, I'll already have subtracted in a folder. Don't use that, and these are the files. If you want to install everything on C, you have only to do run this installer as a run as administrator. But I'm gonna install it on E. So I paste this and I remain this on thing. Don't throw this away because this says that is a full install. So I'm gonna now install NX, run as administrator. Yes. Sometimes you think, okay, you get the thing. This full has to do with this full. You get everything, also for the simulations and so on. It installs EDVPN and it will have a reboot. Yeah. So make sure you save before you start. That's not, you can work trying during the install. So save everything. So okay, now you got here an install, and I'm gonna pause it. I will go back when the first message appears where you have to press OK. This took approximately 8 minutes on my system. Sim setup is successfully, and I press OK. And the problem is I cannot show here. I don't any tricks to see that the install is still continuing. It takes a long while. So if I press OK, therefore I have my good friend Task Manager. You can see that this install is still running. And if you press continue, Windows installer will also start up again to see that the install is complete. So I press OK, and this you see here the Windows installer, or even more to finish the install. I think that she's now uh, uh, trying to get everything in order and positioning in the correct folders. Okay, this takes a while. I'm gonna pause that. I think it's 15 minutes, but we'll see. Okay, I was a little bit slow because you see a black screen that's extracting the folder, and Now it's checking if the VPN is already installed. That's mine is already installed, so he skips that. So you press OK. Okay, I hope that I modified this executable to not reboot. Otherwise, I spilled my time for recording this. Okay, so I'm gonna press OK, and okay, it seems to be okay. I don't. That's good. So the things is finished. So I have to now do is start EDVPN. In the install document is an how to set up EDVPN video. That's similar nowadays as from a half year ago. So EDVPN. If you had Fontys, it's not necessary to do this. And I'm going to go to the latest version. Siemens, where are you? This is a new version. I open that, and this is the NX. I normally rename this to the proper version, but I will do that later. And now NX starts up, and I hope he will give the message that you have to select yes, because the software pings to the outside of the world, to the our server, but also to the Siemens server. And if that's not done, you cannot work with it. Okay, probably he remember from last time. Okay, this for the non-users of NX. Let me see, what was it? Discover. No, it is not in. Start here. This new to NX. Start here. Design, and then you get this. You can do a quick course. What I first tips is even for advanced users interesting. Here's this complete structure showing how to screen layout, how to create a file, find comments. So here and new. Let's see if this is working. I hope there. I try to create a folder where you have write access. So if you find here weird named folder, like program data of program source or something, then you have no write access. You have to go to somewhere where you have write access to with this folder. But I press OK. And let's see if it all works, but it will look good. Okay. Rectangular. Escape. Dimension. My 12 tab. Yes. And this is 6. I press mouse button 2 to give the acceptance, and then I'm finish it. And this old school, you can also do that in extrude sketching, but that, and this is 100 millimeters. Okay, so this is working. Okay, save. So for the pre-posts, we do this. It's the FEM simulation. I'll quick try to see how it works. New FEM simulation. This is all standard, so that's okay. And then we create all solution, not close. Then it's gonna get you to bite you back. and it's okay. I starts here. Normally it's this, but it's now open, and then I'm gonna quick assign material, ABS. Okay, then we're gonna mesh. What I did is the quick and dirty method. Okay, and then you go to this level to constraint this. Okay, yeah, it creates a group where that's in. Then we force. Let me see. 10 Newton. Hmm, okay, and then we solve. Oh yeah, here's the yes. Allow. And that's relatively fast because it's and then you go to C structure analysis. First check the displacement. Wow, oh yes, I have the good values. Okay, that's ABS, so that's plastic, so that is the bending stress of the displacement. Okay, that's okay. I think that is gonna work. What we also could try to do is quick. When we go back to application modeling, that's probably not going to be quick modeling here. That we are trying to create topology optimization. Um, Study maximum stiffness. I'm lazy. Otherwise, we think, okay, this is good. Okay. Normally from left to right, or you have to do everything. You have to remove this. Okay, that is good. This design space is this. Oh, sorry. Create new select body. Okay. Optimization constraint. Create new. Mass limit, design current, okay, 30 grams. Okay, analysis constraint. It's pity that it does not take over the um, simulation. Okay, here have a look. We did minus y, yes, and we did 10, I believe. Then select face, stick. Yeah, okay. Yeah, now, okay. And then everything is done, so we can press optimize. And um, I'll wait. I pause it for a while, and it does probably 100 simulations. Okay. Yeah, I made it call, so in the end it was only 1 minute. Let me see. That's because I'm not have not a serious GPU. Close. Yes. Then if you do, yeah, the design space is removed. Okay. They did. Oh, they show now the facets. Okay, nice. Okay. The software has become a little bit more robust. It's almost symmetrical, even if I did not demand that to be symmetrical, but that could be expected. Okay, that's the end. So finish, and so okay, this was the end. You can also this mesh this in the FEM module, but that's more for the course. Thank you for your time. I hope everything is okay with the install.